Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get a domain name for free in 2025. Whether you are starting a blog, a portfolio, or even a small business site, this method works. And for now, let's get started. Free domain options. There are a few legit ways to grab a free domain. Website builders, for example, platforms like Wix, WordPress.com, or Weebly often give you a free domain when you sign up, but usually it is a subdomain like yourname.wixsite.com. Number two, free domain extensions. Services like Freenom or .tk offer free domains with extensions such as .tk, .ml, .ga, and .cf. They are not as professional as .com or .net, but great for testing projects. Hosting plans. Many hosting providers like Hostinger, Blueshot, or GoDaddy give you a free custom domain .com, .net, etc. When you buy a hosting plan, technically you are paying for hosting, but the domain itself is free for the first year. So what is the best method in 2025? If you are just experimenting or learning, use Freenom. It's completely free. If you are serious about branding, go with a hosting plan that includes a free custom domain. That way, you look professional and do not risk losing your domain later. And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.